I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming color space and bit depth. Choose Rec. 709 for broadcast or Rec. 2020 for HDR, and set sequence to match your source footage. Once done, enable GPU acceleration and turn on maximum render quality so grading artifacts are minimized. Make sure Premiere uses the correct color management in Interpret Footage and Lumetri. While you check settings, import a high bit depth clip and set playback resolution to full for accurate preview. This keeps banding from being introduced early. Next, perform corrective grading using Lumetri. Start with input LUTs if needed, then use curves and color wheels to lift shadows and tame highlights gently so you avoid steep ramps that cause banding. Apply Lumetri noise reduction or the reduce noise effect sparingly. Aggressive denoise can create posterization, so balance is key. If banding persists, add a subtle film grain or dither layer at low opacity to break uniform ramps. Make sure your sequence and export remain in high bit depth during this entire workflow. Finally, export with a 10-bit or higher codec such as ProRes 422HQ, ProRes 4444, or DNxHR to preserve smooth gradients. Enable maximum depth and use hardware acceleration if available. Once exported, view the file in a color-managed player to verify results because some players downsample. If you still see banding, reopen the project, increase export bit depth, or add a calibrated grain/dither layer and re-export. As a troubleshooting tip, test a short clip first to iterate quickly before exporting the full timeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.